Think they're being... You didn't need to honk like that. That was so... Big Lou. It's on my video? Good. Do I ever feel self-conscious about the way you eat? Let me answer that question. Love you, Lily, but the humongous bites of food. I'm going to tell you right now, Lisa. I am who I am. I like to take big bites. I like to eat food. It's just who I am, my friend. It's just who I am. Spamming over and over almost certainly will get you muted. Thank you, Crystal. Okay, no one saw that. No one saw that. Do I still have food on my shirt? Oh, I totally do. Wow. Now, this is the disadvantage of big bites. Sometimes things like this happen. I've actually always been a pretty messy eater. It's true. You can ask my mama. That's how British people say it, right? You don't even have to really move your lips a little bit. You just go, or maybe move your lips a little bit. Frankly, I don't care if it's big or small, because eventually I'm not going to have a clue.